Do you or anyone you know struggle with golfer's elbow, tennis elbow, some sort of sprain or strain? Maybe struggle with severe incapacitating neck pain or back pain from a maybe bulging disc, herniated disc. Had a surgery recently, looking for an accelerated recovery time. Arthritic issues, whether that's spine related or joint related, osteoarthritis, rheumatoid arthritis, numbness and tingling down their arms, hands, or neuromas or plantar fasciitis, all these different types of things and so many more things. We are able to help more effectively now with some new technology that we brought in the office. So I want to introduce you to the M7 MLS Therapy Laser. I'm Dr. Chapa, owner of Well Health and Chiropractic, both Hendersonville and Gallatin locations here in Middle Tennessee. This laser, the M7 MLS Therapy Laser, is actually the world's most advanced cutting edge technology Class 4 laser, and it's the number one in the world for a number of reasons actually. Number one, it brings in tons of extra oxygen, nutrients, blood supply, growth factors, enzymes to an area because of how it vasodilates the current arteries and capillaries. It can actually create new capillaries and blood supply to an area. So we're bringing more building blocks to an area that needs healing. It also sends this energy so deep and it has such great photobiomodulation effects. It actually stimulates the mitochondria in the cell to release something known as ATP. ATP, or adenosine triphosphate, is the energy molecule our body uses for every type of function in our body and every type of healing that is necessary in our body. So that's really, really powerful. It is the only robotic Class 4 laser in the world. All other Class 4 lasers require some sort of technician or doctor to manually do this, and usually they have to use a gel to try to disperse the heat before it gets to your tissue, because all other Class 4 lasers can create thermal damage if utilized improperly. You can't use other Class 4 lasers over any types of screws or rods or metal implants because of that thermal effect. The cutting edge laser technology here, they actually patented this thing. It uses a synchronized dual waveforms. One's continuous, one is a pulsed emissions, 808 and 905, two of the most researched wavelengths of what's a part of the near infrared spectrum to create the most photobiomodulation effects in the tissue. So when I was looking for a laser for my office, not only was I excited about the fact that it doesn't create thermal damage, but also I wanted depth of penetration. Other Class 4 lasers can only penetrate up to about 3 centimeters deep because they can only use so much wattage before it literally fries the tissue. So if it be a Class 4 laser, you need a half a milliwatt of power. Some of the best lasers out there can maybe get up to 10 watts of power. This one can actually get up to 50 watts of power, which is incredible because that means more photons, more light rays, driving deeper into the potential depth penetration through the wavelength. Literature says 3 to 5 centimeters, whereas like red light therapy, a lot of people are using red light therapy now, that can only go 4 to 8 millimeters deep into the tissue. So we wanted to reach those deeper things, and so it's incredible the responses that we're getting. We've seen people with bone fractures heal in a fraction of the time. We've had football players, season-ending injuries according to the surgeons, be back on the field in 5 weeks or less because of what it's doing. It actually stimulates fibroblast growth and chondrocyte growth. Fibroblast is an essential precursor to collagen, which is a vital precursor to protein for helping with tissue repair. The chondrocytes help maintain and create new cartilage. And cartilage, think about the meniscus in your knee, the labrums in your shoulders and your hips. There's even cartilage on the back of your spines, the facets, where the spine is moving together. And so it helps maintain and create new cartilage for people. The chondrocytes is super important for new formation of bone and for just the actual maintenance of the bone. The M7 is also really good for post-surgical injuries. And so like you have a surgery on something or know someone with a surgery on something, if we can get them on the laser immediately after that surgery, it actually not only helps with the inflammatory aspect of that and the pain associated with it, but it also increases that tissue healing because of the fibroblast chondrocyte formation. And what it does, it actually prevents the scars from getting all ugly because it heals up the tissue so well. So it prevents keratosis or what people know as keloids, where it's these big ugly scars. And so people that have actually had surgeries and have scars already, they will get on this machine and realize that those scars will start to disappear a lot better than what they were. This laser is actually really good at helping repair nerves. The nerve cells themselves, or the myelin sheaths, it actually speeds up what's called the amplitude of the action potential. So pretty much imagine if you have a train and you have all these cars on a train, you got a guy running down the train, jumping from car to car, really what this is doing is it's speeding up that guy so he can jump from car to car faster, so that signal can get to places in your body faster to create better healing responses at the distal tissues, cells, and muscles to make sure that you heal up properly and fast. Research has shown that this technology has an 85 to 90% effective rate. There was actually a survey done with the same technology, MLS laser therapy, of 2,000 patients, and they found with the survey that 97% of them were very satisfied with the results after undergoing MLS laser therapy. The great news about this laser too is there is no negative side effects ever has been associated with this laser. However, the one caution that we have is that we must use these glasses anytime there's a chance that the laser may get in your eyes. And so these at least are very stylish. This here laser pretty much has it all. It's incredible technology. We are the only people in the state of Tennessee, the only doctors in the state of Tennessee, in both my Hendersonville and Gallatin clinic, to have the M7 therapy laser here. And we are just excited and honored to be the first and the only in the state of Tennessee to offer this. This technology is used by orthopedic surgeons. It's used by professional sports teams all over the country. However, they have the older model. This model is twice as powerful as the old model, and it is just incredible the things that we're seeing with our patients. And so if you are struggling with any of those things that I mentioned, please talk to one of us, come meet us, click on the links so we can help be part of your miracle story.